Hello, Zen Programmer here. Today, we're going to dive into how Salesforce's Einstein Prediction Builder can be used for opportunity scoring, a powerful AI tool to help sales teams predict the likelihood of winning any given sales opportunity. By assigning a score to each opportunity, Einstein Prediction Builder helps us understand which deals are more likely to close, enabling the team to prioritize high-potential deals. This predictive approach can positively impact our key business metrics, such as revenue, win rate, and forecast accuracy. Disclaimer: this is a high-level presentation outlining the strategy on opportunity scoring. No underlying private data set is exposed in this presentation. Before jumping into the setup, let's define what we want to achieve with Einstein Prediction Builder for opportunity scoring. Our primary question is, which opportunities are most likely to reach the closed-won stage? Knowing this will help sales teams focus on high-priority deals, driving more revenue, and improving overall efficiency. Clearly defining this goal ensures our prediction has business value, especially for sales teams looking to allocate their time and effort more strategically. To make our prediction as accurate as possible, we need to gather the right requirements. This means working with key stakeholders like sales managers who will use this tool. We also want to identify key metrics and KPIs that define success for our prediction, like our current win rate, revenue, and sales cycle length, so we can measure the impact of Einstein Prediction Builder on these metrics over time. Next, we need to set up our prediction in Einstein Prediction Builder, which starts with selecting the right data. Here we'll use Salesforce's Opportunity Object, which stores all our sales opportunities. Then, we focus on defining positive examples like opportunities that reach the closed-won stage, and negative examples such as opportunities that were closed-lost. Einstein learns from these examples, helping it accurately predict the likelihood of success for new opportunities. In Einstein Prediction Builder, filters allow us to refine the data used to train our model. We start by selecting the opportunity object and then use filters to define which records Einstein will consider positive, closed-won, and negative, closed-lost outcomes. We also create a new field where Einstein will store the prediction score, which represents the likelihood of each open opportunity reaching closed-won. This score will range from 0 to 99, making it easy for the sales team to interpret. Einstein Prediction Builder offers flexibility, allowing us to set up opportunity scoring without creating a custom outcome field. Instead, we can define outcomes directly in the filters by setting closed-won as yes and closed-lost as no. This makes setup faster and simpler, as we can skip creating custom fields and let Einstein handle the categorization of open opportunities automatically, adding them to the prediction set. For a more customized approach, we can create a formula field called Opportunity Outcome that labels opportunities as true for closed-won, false for closed-lost, and leaves other stages as null. This is useful if we need more control over how Einstein interprets our data. Once the formula field is created, we can select it in the Prediction Builder wizard as the field to predict, allowing for a tailored opportunity scoring setup. After our prediction is set up, we want to ensure its quality. Einstein's Scorecard tool provides insights into how well our model is performing and highlights any areas for improvement. If our prediction is too accurate, it may be due to leaker fields that contain outcome hints, like fields that are only filled out after a deal is lost. If it's not accurate enough, we can add additional relevant data to the prediction. Fine-tuning these elements ensures that our opportunity scores provide reliable guidance for the sales team. Once Einstein has scored our opportunities, These predictions can be integrated into our business processes. We can create lists that sort opportunities by score, helping sales reps prioritize high-scoring deals. With Einstein predictions added to the page layout, users can see predictive insights right on the opportunity record. Automated processes, like task creation for high-scoring opportunities, keep the team on track, and we can assign low-scoring opportunities to marketing campaigns for further nurturing, ensuring no opportunity falls through the cracks. The final step is to assess the effectiveness of our Einstein Prediction Builder project. We can compare key performance indicators like win rate and revenue before and after using opportunity scoring. A control group, where some sales reps use the predictions and others don't, provides a clear measure of the prediction's impact. If the group using Einstein shows better performance, we know our AI tool is adding real value. With ongoing tweaks and adjustments, Einstein Prediction Builder can continue to drive sales improvements. Thanks for your time today. See you soon.